Imagine this. The sound of footsteps echoes through the house. Heavy, deliberate. Coming from the basement. The door to the basement creaks open. And there it is. A face emerging from the darkness. Large red eyes staring with burning hatred. It's a clown! But not the kind you remember from childhood. This one's murderous. Sinister. An embodiment of nightmares. The clown pushes forward. But something's not right. Chains. Dangling from the ceiling. Catch him. Wrapping around his face. Tearing into his skin. He struggles. But the chains grip tighter. Winding around his neck. His breaths grow laboured. Panic setting in, but there's no escape. With a final agonizing gasp,